Hi, this is Gregory Jackson for GrebJack.com. Welcome to my 6th RPG Maker MV tutorial, which I'm calling What Lies Beneath. In this tutorial, we'll be setting up a new permanent key item, the hammer, which we use to break open a pit that will require the rope to climb down. That means that it will now take 2 tools to fully unlock the secret entrance. If you have not followed tutorials 2 through 5 yet, please do so now. This tutorial builds upon and references elements from them, so it is best that we stay on the same page. If you have followed those tutorials, go ahead and open the project we've been working on so we can get started. Switch to Map 1 and modify it so it now has an exit to the west. Select the project header and create a new map. Select the outside tile set and click OK. We're going to get a little creative here. Our maps so far have been a bit bland. This one is going to have a little character to it. Start by drawing a jagged east border of grass with a dirt edge. Then fill the rest of the screen with dirt. Next, add borders using both dirt and meadow ledges. Using Building B dirt wall tiles, create an inner structure. Now, scatter some patches of grass and then fill in the rest with cobblestone with a dirt edge. This gives the area a very old look. Now, let's create that hammer. Open the database and select Items. Click Change Maximum. Set Maximum to 9 and click OK. Click on Item 9, name it Hammer, and give it a description. Double-click the icon box. Find and select the icon that looks like a hammer, then click OK. Set Item Type to Key Item. Set Consumable to No. Set Scope to None, and click OK. Somewhere on the map, create a treasure event. Select Item, set it to Hammer, and click OK. At the east exit, create a transfer event. Set Location to the indicated spot on Map 1, and click OK. Set Direction to Right, and click OK. Switch to Map 1. At the western exit, create a transfer event. Set Location to the indicated spot on the new map we created, and click OK. Set Direction to Left, and click OK. We've created a new map, created and placed our hammer, and made sure we can get back and forth between the new map and Map 1. Now we're going to edit the rope pit event. The first thing we want to do is add the mystery music event under the If Party Has Rope conditional branch. Second, while on tab 1, click Copy Event Page, and then click Paste Event Page. You will notice that the event now has 3 tabs and that tab 2 is selected. Click on tab 1. Notice that it is the same as tab 2. Set the image to None for this tab. You'll see why in a minute. Edit the conditional branch so that it reads If Party Has Hammer, and delete the Change Items command. Under Else, modify the text command so that it says something like, there's something down there. Make sure that priority is set to same as characters and that trigger is set to action button. Now switch to tab 2. Under conditions, check the box next to self switch and make sure that it is set to A. Edit the control self switch command so that it affects switch B instead of A. Now switch to tab 3. Under conditions, change self switch to B, leave everything else alone, and click OK. Now here's why we set tab 1's image to None for the rope pit event. We want to use the Fissures tile, but it is part of tile set A and therefore not available through the event editor. Switch to map mode. On tile set A, select the Fissures tile. Draw one instance of it in the center of the 3x3 cobblestone area where the rope pit event is located. Because that event's tab 1 has no image, the Fissures tile will be visible. Playtesting time. We immediately see that the pit from the last time is now replaced with the fissures marring the cobblestone. When we click on the spot, the party moves to it and we are informed that there is something down there. Let's go to the new map to the west and get the hammer from the chest. Let's go back to map 1. When we click on the fissures this time, the pit is revealed. At this point, everything works as it did at the end of tutorial 5. We could have set it up so that the player gets the rope and the hammer at the same time, but I wanted to show that getting the tools for unlocking a multi-stage secret does not have to be linear. The player could just as easily go after the torch first and then get the hammer. It doesn't matter. The secret entrance works the same way. This concludes this tutorial. For GrebJack.com, this is Gregory Jackson, thanking you for watching.